Hello children, welcome back to our serial Parts of Speech. So we are dealing with parts of speech, and in this series today I am going to discuss with you adverbs. Now what are adverbs? Adverbs are those parts of speech which give description to many other parts of speech, like they describe verbs, they describe an adjective, another adverb, or they also describe a sentence. So adverbs are those words which give additional meanings to either verbs or an adjective or another adverb or a sentence. Now we are going to look at each one in brief. So first let us see how adverbs give meaning to the verbs. We will see adverbs modifying verbs. They ran quickly. Now the word ran is a verb here, and the word quickly is talking about their way of running. The word quickly is not talking about them, but it is talking about how they ran. So this word quickly is talking about the verb ran. So this is where we see an adverb modifying a verb. Let us look at another sentence. She walked slowly but steadily. So the verb here is walked, and the words slowly and steadily both are talking about her way of walking. They are not talking about her, they are talking about her way of walking, and therefore she walks slowly and steadily. Slowly and steadily are adverbs modifying the verb walked. So this is how we see adverbs modifying verbs. Now let us see, this was our first one. Now let us look at the second one. Second one is adverbs modifying adjectives. Now how do they modify adjectives? Let us see the examples. Now we have an extremely hot iron was used by her. Now here the word hot is an adjective. The iron is hot. So hot is an adjective here, and the word extremely is talking about how hot the iron is. It is not talking about the iron, or it is not talking about her. It is talking about how hot the iron is, that the iron is extremely hot. So it is talking about the heat of the iron and not about the iron. So therefore it is talking about this adjective hot, and therefore this is an adverb which is modifying adjectives. So this is another work of the adverbs to modify adjectives. Then the third one that we have seen is third that we are going to see is adverbs modifying another adverb. So now adverb will be modifying another adverb. So let us see the example. Now she sang very sweetly. The word sweetly is an adverb here, and the word very is also an adverb, and it is modifying the word sweetly. It is modifying this adverb sweetly. So very is talking about sweetly, it is talking about another adverb. Therefore, this adverb very is an adverb which is modifying another adverb. So this is the third form of adverb where the adverbs modify its own kind or another adverb. Now let us look at the fourth kind. Fourth kind is adverbs modifying a sentence. Now how does it modify a sentence? Frequently we saw her visiting her grandmother. Now the word frequently is an adverb which is modifying the entire sentence. It is not talking about any verb or adverb or adjective, but it is modifying the entire sentence. So this is the fourth role of an adverb, to modify a sentence. Now if you generally see the adjectives, they mostly end in the word or suffix ly. Ly is at the end of the word, as you see here, frequently or quickly, slowly, extremely, briefly, regularly, punctually. There are so many adverbs which end in ly. So those adverbs which end in ly, they are very easy to pick without trying to find out the role they are playing. We can easily pick out adverbs when they are attached with ly. But then this is not a confirmed rule. There are so many exceptions also where the words do not end in ly. For example, I can give you these are few of the exceptions. We have like always, never, sometimes, up, down, somewhere, here, there. These are those adverbs which are not ending in ly, but even then they are adverbs. So it is not necessary as a rule that an adverb will end in ly, but to take a clue, a word ending in ly is an adverb, and 60% of the times the adverbs end in ly. Okay. Now on a signing off note, I will give you few sentences which you will work on your own and pick out the adverbs, and also you will find out the role that they are playing in those sentences. Now these are four sentences. Tom did not run badly. Tom is very tall. The race finished too quickly, and fortunately Lucy recorded Tom's win. So these are four sentences where you have to pick out the adverbs and also find out the role that the adverbs are playing in the sentences, whether they are modifying a verb or an adjective or an adverb, or they are just modifying a sentence. I hope the things are clear to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.